kenapa masalah obesity ni lebih common, lebih kerap berlaku di kalangan wanita. Macam orang kata, bini saya masak untuk satu family, saya pun makan benda yang sama, bini saya pun makan benda sama. Saya tak obese pun, bini saya yang obese. Kenapa tu, doktor?
Yes, and I have a lot of questions macam tu. Laki pula tu husband tanya. Kesian bini dia tahu. Tapi first of all, kita kena tahu wanita what do they go through? First of all, they go through childbirth.
Alright.
They go through pregnancy. Contoh wanita yang dah beranak. And they put on 20 kilos, 10 kilos. So sometimes I tell them masa pregnant pun janganlah put on a lot of weight because it's hard to go down. So they put on weight. It's fluctuating cycle. They put on so much weight masa pregnant. And then they have to put it down. So the weight is always there. Sebab tu wanita lebih gemuk lah. Lagi satu, bila kita perimenopause.
Alright.
Bila kita perimenopause, so kita punya basal metabolic rate pun rendah. So kita akan lebih sluggish berbanding orang lelaki. Kita lebih sluggish untuk bakar lemak. So kita cakap, I tak makan banyak, I diet apa, I tak turun-turun. Dulu masa muda senang je. It's the hormones. As we age, this is what happens.
It's the hormones.
Yes, our hormones. So our hormones basically, kita punya hormon tu dah penurunan. Bila kita perimenopause, proses pembakaran lemak tu agak lambat sedikit. Sebab tu untuk wanita yang berumur, usually 35 and 40 above, I'll tell them to increase your basal metabolic rate, you kena ada muscle. So they have to do muscle strength and muscle training. Compared to kenapa orang lelaki tak buat muscle pun tak gemuk, contohlah. Sebab tu wanita, sebab kita banyak sangat hormon yang kacau kita punya sistem, so we have to do extra things to improve the basal metabolic rate.
Right. And as a woman in my 40s, saya punya cheat code adalah weight strength training.
Yes.
Sebab kita tak ada banyak masa untuk spend per day and whatnot, up and down. So is that something you recommend actually?
You have to do strength training. You can do cardio, but cardio kalau kita dah berumur ni, orang kata, I tak boleh lari, doktor, I sakit lutut. Because then you do go for a walk. Do not underestimate walking. Sama macam PCOS. I cakap cara senang, reduce your sugar, lepas makan to go for a walk.
Right.
I tak suruh you berlari marathon. Just go for a walk.
Ni kena parking jauh lah ni.
Parking jauh, ataupun lepas makan tu ajak husband pergi jalan. Pergi jalan kat taman keliling. Daripada you baring main Facebook kan. Betul tak? Macam ikan paus duduk main. Tak boleh lah, baik you pergi berjalan kan. So these are the things that you need to do. So for women of increasing age, they have to do weight training to improve the muscle, because once your muscle is increased, then your basal metabolic rate will be better and improve.
Alright.
So that's why kita tengok, kalau kita tengok sekarang wanita-wanita 50-an dah start pergi gym, you know, dah ada muscle, then they'll become fitter and better.
Siri Jom dengan tips ini dibawakan khas untuk anda oleh Columbia Asia Hospital Tebrau.